Hi, this is NorwexChris. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a ceiling fan using the Norwex Dusting Mitt. So to clean the fan, I just got on a step stool and I'm simply going to take the dusting mitt and just run it along. As you can see, the dust sticks to the mitt, but it does not fall off the mitt and onto the floor. Just going to go and do each fan blade. As you can see, it's all sticking to the mitt. Very little of it will fall off. And when the mitt gets full, I'm just going to use the other side. One final inspection. Make sure to get along all the edges. Do along the base of the light. And do along the top. And there you have it. You have a ceiling fan that's no longer dusty. All the dust is on the mitt. And I'm going to take the mitt and simply brush it off in the garbage. And your ceiling fan is clean. And you're done. Thank you.